What I want to do is I want to rank for this phrase, okay? I want to be number one for Business Ideas 2018. You find your phrase by using the search engine on YouTube. You can do it on Google too, but I like using YouTube because I'm trying to rank a video. I want to do something for Business Ideas because it's down here in the middle. So I'm going to go business space and then I'm going to type in ideas and I see 2017 pop up. You know, I would pick one of these normally, but I just know that 2018 is going to crush this one in about a month from now, so I'll just go 2018. Okay, that's how I came up with the phrase.